Be ready. Start. Subsection bracket 2 provides that where a workman is not in continuous service within the meaning of clause bracket 1 for a period of 1 year or 6 months, he shall be deemed to be in continuous service under an employer subclass bracket A for a period of 1 year if the workman during a period of 12 calendar months preceding the date with reference to which calculation is to be made has actually worked under the employer for not less than 190 days in the case of a workman employed below ground in a mine and 240 days in any other case. Stop. Thus, considering section 25B of the Industrial Disputes Act 1947, if the workman has remained in continuous service with the employer and his service has been interrupted by any reason provided in section and he was not continued in service but he had rendered actual working of 240 days, then service has to be considered continuously stopped. It is necessary to note that section 25F requires that no workman employed in any industry who has been in continuous service for not less than 1 year under an employer shall be retrenched by the employer only on conditions mentioned in subclass bracket A to bracket C are satisfied. Stop. Therefore, if both these sections are read together, which clearly suggest that if the workman has completed continuous service and not interrupted by reasons provided under subsection bracket 1, then there is no need to comply actual working of 240 days for getting the benefits under section 25F of the Industrial Disputes Act 1947, meaning thereby if the workman has satisfied requirements of provisions of section 25B bracket 1, then there is no need to completion of 240 days for getting benefits of section 25F of ID Act stanza. Therefore, considering the facts of the present case, the petitioner workman has satisfied requirements of both subsections bracket 1 and bracket 2 as per the undisputed details given in paras 9, 10 and 11. Stop. The contents of paras 9 to 11 of the petition memo also reveals that from any such ratio and oblique or from any angle, the requirement of working days as provided under the section 25B has been satisfied by the petitioner. Stop. It is pertinent to note that the details given by the petitioner showing working days has not been disputed by the respondent. Stop. Therefore, considering these factual aspects of the matter which admittedly not disputed by the respondent, there is no reason to disbelieve that the petitioner workman was not in continuous service with the employer and therefore workman had completed actual working of 240 days during the tenure of his employment with the respondent board. Full stop. Over.